Hello, welcome to Lab 3. This is Mohammed Haq and this is my partner.
I'm Hunter Schofield, and today we are going to be looking at how to use MATLAB to send a signal to our interfacing board, which in turn uses the output to send a 5-volt signal to our prototyping board to turn on this LED. So first we'll be using MATLAB to inspect our code. So we can switch over here. We are looking specifically at these lines here. These lines read pause for 2 seconds, followed by this dot interface dot set output state of output number 2 till on. So this sends a 5-volt signal along output number 2. Then it pauses again, turns it off, pauses again, turns it on, pauses again, turns it off. So it turns on twice and turns off twice. So interface on the interfacing board, and it sends the 5-volt signal along output number 2. We are using output number 2 instead of output number 3 because there was a problem with our output number 3 and we were instructed by our TAs to use output number 2 instead. So the reason this is output number 2 is because the output count begins from 0, so it goes from 0 to 7, therefore 0, 1, 2. So now we will look at the prototyping board.
As you can see, we already have a simple circuit of a resistor and a LED on our prototyping board. So when we turn our program on, it'll send a 5 volts through this prototype board, and hopefully this LED will turn on 2 times. So let's try it right now. 1, 2.
And that is how we use MATLAB to send a 5-volt signal to our prototyping board via the interfacing board.
Stop.